Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should begin by quitting VMware Fusion and any helper processes. This prevents file locks and corruption. Next, shut down or suspend every virtual machine and confirm user data is backed up, because uninstalling removes app components but won't recover lost VM disks. Once done, stop VMware background services and unload kernel modules to avoid system conflicts. You may need sudo privileges for this. Make sure you know the admin password before continuing terminal commands that follow run without interruption. You will now run VMware's official uninstall utilities because they remove the bulk of installed components cleanly. Open terminal and execute the provided uninstall script in /library/application support or run the app's uninstall option. Use sudo when prompted. After the script finishes, manually check /library/extensions for any VMware kernel extensions and remove them if present, then reboot. Also remove /applications, /VMware Fusion, and related support folders in /library/application support to clear residual files and preferences. Finish by emptying the trash and rebooting so Mac OS reloads kernel extensions and clears locked files. Then remove user-specific preferences in your home library and any VMware logs to reclaim space. If you encounter permission errors, run disk utility first aid or boot into safe mode to delete stubborn files. As a key troubleshooting tip, if VMware kernel modules still load, reinstall the same VMware version. Then run its uninstall script immediately. That often repairs broken uninstallers and allows complete removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.